Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can rotate object with our mouse in FreeCAD. So, alright, now the basics are right here. If you're using the mouse, if you have this scroll wheel, press and hold it. So this way you can move basically all project basically. Now, if you hold a scroll wheel and left mouse button, you can zoom in and zoom out really nicely. But if you are using just left mouse button, you can move. As you can see here in the top right corner, you will see rear, top, then we have right, bottom, and so on. So we can basically move this object, basically the whole window, just like that. So this is one option. Now, if we just want to move the object, what we are need to do is simply that. So I will show you right now. All right. Now let me zoom in a little bit. Okay. Now select the object and right click on it with the right button on your mouse, and then head over here to the transform. You will see. Then you need to see this red, blue, green stuff right over here. Now what we will do, on the left side here we have dragger, translation, rotation. So we can set mode, object origin, center of mask, or custom. So let's say something like that. And now we can play with these settings here. So let's say coordinate system we set to global. And now, as you can see, just let me just select the object. All right, just like that. And now we can move our object. So we can move right now. So we can, let's say, paste in something like, I don't know, 400, let's say 250, and hit enter, just like that. And we can now place it right over here. All right, so now as you can see, I have moved this one right over here, which I didn't want, but yeah, this is the way how you can move it. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.